Hello and welcome back. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like and subscribe and share the channel with someone else you think would enjoy our content. Looks like today we're doing number 246. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this bottom row, looks like we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 up here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got the 4 covering here, so 1, 7. 7 covering both of these boxes. And a 4 up here makes this our 1, 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. I don't see any help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1. But I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 covering both of these, so our 4 has to be here. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 9, 4 here, so 8, 9. That means that our 4 is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. I don't see much help. So this is 2, 8, 9. We do have an 8 here, so 2, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 and 3 here and an 8 here. So this is our 7. That 1 and 3 makes this our 8. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. We can get rid of the 6. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 covering all 3 of these boxes, so that makes this our 3 and our 2. We've got a 4 and a 7 here, so that makes this our 2. A 4 here makes this our 7 and 4. And we can get rid of this 2. For this column now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 8. No help here. 1, 8, 9. And an 8 here, so 1, 9. To finish out this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 8. And if we look back, that means our 2 for that row has to be here. And then we can get rid of this 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 8, and 9. We don't have any help. So 1, 6, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here. So 2, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So this is our 6, 7. And then we can get rid of the 6. And so if we look, the only place our 6 can be in this row is here. That makes us our 1. Then we can get rid of this 1. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here. So 5, 2. That 2 makes this our 9. That makes this our 1, 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 1. 9 makes this our 2. So between that 2 and that 9, this is our 8. That makes this our 6. That 8 makes this our 9. 8, 9, 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.